good metro connectivity, road connectivity, very pleasant atmosphere, decent atmosphere. Namaga flat advantage 360 degrees sunset, sunrise, every room covering with ventilation and see two balconies, 4A, and is the living area.
It's the living, right?
Very with French door.
French window.
French window and
You have put mesh also, right?
yeah. So this safety net for pigeons and monkeys.
And all.
And down you see what a beautiful view that is.
This is that
Yeah. So this is the attached bathroom. Geyser will come by default.
default, right?
Yeah.
But geyser will come default only.
No, actual branded Tata itself, Tata brand.
ನೋಡಿ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಗೀಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬಹುದು.
Tata branded, they'll follow all ethics and values. So same way we'll also
Easily
follow.
transferable.
Easily.
ಸಮಸ್ತ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರುವಂತಹ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡಕೋರ ಬಂದಿನೊಂದು ಹೊಸ ಜೊತೆ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಜೊತೆ. ಹೌದು ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಅದು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮ ಟಾಟಾದವರ ನ್ಯೂ ಹೆವನ್ ಹತ್ರ. ಹೌದು ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ನಮ್ಮ ಟಾಟಾದ ನ್ಯೂ ಹೆವನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಟಾಟಾ ನ್ಯೂ ಹೆವನ್ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುವಂತದ್ದು ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ತುಂಬಾ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಟಾಟಾದವರೇ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಒಂದೊಳ್ಳೆ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ತಮ್ಮನೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಫಾರ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು ಈ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಇದು ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾದಾವರ ಮೆಟ್ರೋ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತುಂಬಾ ನಿಯರ್ ಬೈ 10 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು. ತುಂಬಾ ಹತ್ರ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ. ಅಂಡ್ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಓನರ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಮುನಿಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಅವರು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಅಣ್ಣ ಸರ್. ಸರ್ ಬನ್ನಿ ಸರ್. ನಮಸ್ತೆ.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಸರ್.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಓಕೆ, ಸರ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸರ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಟಾಟಾ ನ್ಯೂ ಹೆವನ್.
ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ವೇರ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಸೀಯಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಸರ್. ಸರ್, ಇವಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈಸ್ the Tata New Heaven. Where is the locality? Can you tell me the exact locality?
This exact location is Dasnapur Hubli off Tumkur Road. So just 10 minutes away from the Madhwar metro station and 5 minutes away from Makali and 15 minutes away from Nagsandra metro station.
15 minutes from Nagsandra metro station. 10 minutes from Madhwara metro station.
5 minutes from Makali.
Makali. From Makali is 5 minutes.
Yeah, from Nelmangla 15 minutes.
Nelmangla 15 minutes.
45 minutes away from Manyata Tech Park.
Manyata Tech for 45 minutes
45
only.
minutes.
Okay.
Just 45 minutes, no traffic, nothing very pleasant atmosphere.
In inner road.
Outer ring.
So ಯಾರು ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ
ಮಾನ್ಯತಾ
ಟೆಕ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ 45 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನರ್ ಒಳಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಹೊರಟೋಗ್ಬಿಡಬಹುದು. ಯಾವುದೇ ಇದಿಲ್ಲದೆ.
We have good metro connectivity, road connectivity, very pleasant atmosphere, decent atmosphere. Namaga flat advantage 360 degrees sunset, sunrise, every room covering with ventilation and see two balconies, pleasant see view.
Yeah.
What a view.
The view is good. What is the distance from Majestic, you may think?
Majestic same like 45 minutes.
45 minutes, around 20 to 25 kilometers.
In metro they can come in 30 minutes from Majestic to here. From there to here 10 minutes.
10 minutes they can come. Okay.
From Majestic to 40 minutes. 45 minutes up.
Okay. So total area, what is the total area?
Total area of this 25 acres.
25 acres.
25 acres. Here we have 35 blocks. This flat is from Tower 9 and 10th
Tower
floor.
9 10th floor. So ಇದು ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು Tower 9 10th floor ಅಲ್ಲಿ. But ಇದು total 25 acres. How many towers is there? 35.
You see what I demand. There is no empty here.
No empty.
Very demand, hard demand area.
Okay.
You see,
demand ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. What about rent? They come for rent also?
Yes. Rent also people is coming. So 2 BHK 25,000 going on.
25,000. ಸೊ ಇವ್ರು ಇರುವಂತ 2 BHK ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 25,000 ವರೆಗೂ ಕೂಡ ರೆಂಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇಸ್ there anyone asking for the rent?
Oh, weekly I'm getting 4 calls
For rent?
for rent. You see, place no, none of the flat is empty here.
Yes, empty here. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇವರಿಗೆ ರೆಂಟಲ್ ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನೀವು ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅಥವಾ ರೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ 25,000 ವರೆಗೂ ಕೂಡ 25,000 ವರೆಗೆ ರೆಂಟ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್? ಇಫ್ ದೇರ್ ಎನಿಬಡಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್,
Yes,
ಸೊ ದೇ ಗೆಟ್ ಗುಡ್ ಅಪ್ರಿಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಸರ್.
Definitely, if you see nowadays, if General Prestige City, just 15 minutes away from here, Godrej everything, and the rate, they are quoting 18,000.
18,000
rupees
per square feet.
per square feet. So future it will be appreciation. These very high rise and branded and the quality. You see the bricks. These not a bricks. Precasting walls.
Precasting walls.
What a build quality.
Very good build quality.
Very good build quality. Okay. 25 plus amenities. Very high rise apartment. You see the maintenance of this security, everything here. The way how the software companies they used to maintain, the same persons only maintaining GLL and big
Companies are maintaining here.
maintaining
Okay.
this one.
What about safety? Is there good safety, sir?
You see everywhere security.
Security is there everywhere.
everywhere.
ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇವನ್ ನಮಗೆ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಓಡಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾಟ್ ಅಲೌಡ್, ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಅಲೌವ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ, ಪ್ರೈವಸಿ is there. Privacy ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
70% open spaces are there. We have food court. We have
Tell me about the amenities.
amenities. We have swimming pool,
gym,
child play kid area, library. We have multifunction hall. We have cafeteria. We have football court, volleyball court, cricket court, walk area. Different, almost 25 plus amenities are there.
Parks are there? Park?
Everywhere park is there. In this area, you saw we walked.
Clubhouse? What about clubhouse?
It's very spacious, more than 30,000 square feet.
Clubhouse. You have one clubhouse. There is another clubhouse is there. No, what is that?
That is Riva. That is for senior citizens.
Riva clubhouse.
Two different clubhouses are there. One is for senior citizens exclusively. One is for engaged people.
So it's separate.
Separate
clubhouse. Clubhouse ಎರಡು ಇದೆ. ಒಂದು ಎಂಗೇಜ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಏಜ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ. ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಎಮರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಂಬ್ಯುಲೆನ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ, ಡೆಡಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಂಬ್ಯುಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ರೆಡಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಸಿ?
Within the you saw Apollo Pharmacy, Apollo Diagnostic Center, within the exclusively for this Tata
here only.
And we have supermarket is there.
Supermarket also there.
Opposite our building petrol bunk is there. That is main road, right?
Attached to main road.
Attached to main road. Okay, so this property also beside main road only.
Beside main road only.
Yeah. Okay, so we have dedicated petrol bunk. There under lot of shops also.
Shops are there.
This area is drastically developing like
Development is very good. Definitely development ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ದಾಸನಪುರ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ನೋಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ ನೀವು, ಅದ್ರ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
5 minutes to APMC ದಾಸನಪುರ
5 minutes 5 ನಿಮಿಷದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು APMC ಗೆ ಹೋಗಬಹುದು. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಬಂಕ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಸೂಪರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ಸ್, ಶಾಪ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಇದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಳಗಡೆನೆ ಇವ್ರದ್ದು ಪ್ರಿಮಿಸಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಪೋಲೋ ಫಾರ್ಮಸಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೂಪರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್, ಕಾಲೇಜ್, ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್?
ಹಿಯರ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಆರ್ಚಿಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. ಆರ್ಚಿಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ is there. Okay. BGS International School.
BGS International School. Okay.
Just those are 10 to 15 minutes away from here. Their own school buses are coming
here only.
BMT every 30 minutes BMTC bus will come. As you know, this area is drastically developing like anything.
So
very
connectivity
fast,
is very good. What about hospitals? Do you know any good hospitals?
We have nearby so many hospitals.
Harsha Hospital is there.
Harsha Hospital is there. BGS Hospital is there. And Abhaya Vasishta Hospital is there. BGS MCH Hospital is there. Srishti Public School is there.
You note down everything.
Everything. No, many hospitals.
Many hospitals is
all
there.
international hospitals.
So school, college, hospitals are plenty. They are available.
They are available, and it's just 10 minutes, 15 minutes around here. Okay, very demandful area. You see, none of the flat is empty here, and every week I am getting 4 calls for the rental. Very good investment for best for rent, and if they would like to stay here, that is even double more happiness they will
better
they will get.
So can we show the flat for our people?
Sure.
Let's go inside.
Yeah, sure.
What about the total area? What is
total
the carpet area?
966 super built up area.
966 carpet.
Yeah, this is the 4A, and this is the living area.
This is the living, right?
Very with French door.
French window.
French window, and
you put mesh also, right?
Yeah. So this safety net for pigeons and monkeys.
And all.
And down you see what a beautiful view that is.
This is there. We'll show from the window.
Yeah. Okay. So then
kitchen. We go to kitchen.
Yeah. So this spacious kitchen here, very good spacious. In this 2 BHK unit, this kind of spacious.
This is utility, right, sir?
This utility room.
So this is a walking area, lawn, right, sir?
Yeah.
ನೋಡಿ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಲಾನ್ ಇದೆ.
What a
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಸರ್, ವೆರಿ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್. ಓಕೆ,
very big setup came. They can set up modular kitchen.
Modular, they can create a modular kitchen here, right?
Yeah. So, so
Yeah.
coming to this
Bedroom
children's
number
bedroom.
1, right? Children bedroom.
Yeah. Okay.
So this is children bedroom, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So
Yeah. Common washroom.
Common washroom for.
This is the common washroom, right?
Yes.
Spacious one.
Spacious, very spacious one.
Okay, ನೋಡಿ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಸ್ಪೇಸಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ರೂಫ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ವರೆಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗೀಸರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್.
A geyser is there.
Geyser is there.
Yeah.
Okay, here sir, this is the second master bedroom.
Master bedroom. Very spacious.
Very spacious sir.
Yeah.
ನೋಡಿ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಸ್ಪೇಸಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇದು. ಇದು ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ವಾಶ್ರೂಮ್, ರೈಟ್?
Yeah. So this is the attached bathroom. A geyser will come by default.
Default, right?
Yeah.
But geyser will come default only.
No, actual branded Tata itself, Tata brand.
ನೋಡಿ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಗೀಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಸ್ಪೇಸಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. This is the apartment, right, sir?
Yes.
It shows our outside view from here.
Yes.
ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, view is very good, sir.
Yeah.
Ventilation is also there. See,
Every room we have good ventilation.
very good ventilation. This is the 10th floor, sir.
Yeah, 10th floor, 104.
Okay. Sir, we show the apartment also.
Yes,
So finally, what about industries, sir? Any industries here, sir?
We have Pune industry. There are lot many in this area itself. We have lot many industries on the way. You can see the road. We have lot many industries besides that, and Golden Farm Resorts also.
Golden Palm Resort.
Golden
Okay.
Palm
That's
Resorts.
nearby only.
Just 5 minutes walkable distance.
Okay.
Walkable distance 5 minutes. Golden Palm Resorts we have one. Pune industry within 20 minutes. Nagasandra metro station 50 minutes. 10 minutes. Madhar metro station. We have all international schools. Domestic and international
schools is there.
schools there, hospitals are there, and highway of this just 5 minutes from the highway, right?
Highway.
Tumkur highway.
The Tumkur highway is also getting widening.
Widening
nowadays. Any nearby IT companies?
Yeah, we have Mahindra Tech Park is just 40-45 minutes away from here. People can utilize both metro connectivity and also outer ring road connectivity.
Yeah. Okay.
Just 40-45 minutes. So we have lot many companies there in Mahindra Tech Park, and temples. When it comes to temples, we have ISKCON temple.
ISKCON temple is nearby only.
Mahalakshmi layout is near, just
Mahalakshmi
20 minutes from metro. Madhar metro. Go just it's beside metro station, just 20 minutes away.
This
from
is very nearby.
Very ISKCON
Any
temple is
malls,
there.
sir? Malls, big malls. is
Mantri Square Mall is there, and Vishal Mart is a very
Lulu
big
Mall
mall.
is
Lulu
there.
Mall is there. Very big malls are there.
It's all nearby only.
Nearby only.
ಸೊ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಮಾಲ್ಗಳು ಬೇಕು, ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ ಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ
IT
ಕಂಪನಿಗಳು ಬೇಕು,
Pune industry is there, and nearby lot many companies.
ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ only.
Everything is here.
Okay, so everything is good, sir. Finally, is price. Price need to be good, no? Okay. So what you are quoting, and what are the competitors are quoting here, sir?
So competitors like Prestige Jindal City, Godrej, and other competitors, high-rise apartments, right? These are high community apartments. They are quoting 16 to 18,000. They are quoting
Per square feet.
Per square feet.
Okay. What you are quoting, sir?
My quoting price here is 12,000.
12,000.
Yes.
ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವ್ರ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟರ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ಟೀಜು, ಬೇರೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ, ಜಿಂದಾಲ್, ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 16 to 18,000 rupees per square feet ಕೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಫೀಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಸರ್ ಕೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರುವಂತದ್ದು 12,000. ಒಂದು ಟಾಟಾಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಪೀಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿಗೆ 12,000 ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ 12,000 ನೆಗೋಷಿಯಬಲ್, ಸರ್?
Negotiable.
ನೆಗೋಷಿಯಬಲ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ನೆಗೋಷಿಯಬಲ್ ಅಂತೆ, ಸೊ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟಾಕ್ ವಿತ್ ಯು, ರೈಟ್?
Yes, limited period offer, negotiable.
Negotiable. If they come from Kannadakora, you can give best price.
The best price I will give.
Okay.
Best price, definitely. That is for sure.
Okay, that's the best. The 12,000 square feet mean what will be the total cost, sir? Total cost.
Total cost, this total super built-up area is 966 square feet into 12,000. Upon payment method and who and all coming from your channel, I'll give best quoting.
You
for
can
you.
give best price. What is the overall cost?
Overall at 1 to 1.1 crore plus.
1 crore plus. 1 crore 15 lakh or something.
15 lakhs.
Okay. So best price ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 1 crore 15 lakh ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೋಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಯು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ, ರೈಟ್?
Yeah, directly they can.
If you are not here, they want to see the flat, what will be the
My neighbors will show.
Your neighbor will show.
Yeah.
Okay.
Weekends I will only come and show. During days, if they can call me on one day before they inform me, they can come and show.
Okay.
My neighbors also will be helpful here.
ಯು ಆರ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್. ಸೊ ಸಾರ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ವೀಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾರ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ನೀವು ಬಂದು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ವೀಕ್ ಡೇಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬನ್ನಿ, ನೇಬರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಕೀ ಕೊಟ್ಟೋಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಮನೆ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೀ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಕೀ, ವಾಚ್ ದ ಹೌಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ give the key back.
Yeah, sure, definitely.
Everybody
My neighbor will.
Allowed, right?
Allowed.
They can come here and watch.
I can take permission from my security department because here this very high rise and high posh society, right? High community.
Very tight security.
Very tight security is there. I had to even
Give permission, okay.
give permission to the visitors also. So and take permission. Okay, and then for Zomato guys also I had to give OTP permission.
OTP permission. So ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು, ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲೇಬೇಕು.
Zomato, Flipkart, Swiggy ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ನ I had to give OTP permission.
OTP, ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್ಗೆ, ಸರ್ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಕೀ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೇಬರ್ಸ್ ಹತ್ರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಂದು ಕೀ ತಗೊಂಡು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೆಗೋಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಬೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರಬಲ್, ರೈಟ್?
Registration, everything. You Tata branded, they'll follow all ethics and values. So same way we'll also
easily
follow.
transferable.
Easily
And
transferable.
one more question is that, so is loan, we can get a loan on this
Yeah,
property?
even this apartment I have some loan is there that will be transferable on their name. All major banks like HDFC Bank, SBI and 6 major banks they are giving loans to.
Okay, loan is ready.
Ready.
Easily available.
Easily available because this how quality building this and how
The name is only
name
good now.
brand name
Tata
so
Heaven.
anyone will give.
Tata New Heaven.
They'll close eyes and give.
ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಲೋನ್ ಅಂತ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಟಾಟಾ ನ್ಯೂ ಹೆವನ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡೇ ಸಾಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೋನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀನಿ, ಸರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಮೂಲಕ ನೀವನ್ನ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನಸಿನ ಮನೆ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಬೇಕು, ಅದು ಟಾಟಾ ನ್ಯೂ ಹೆವನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕು, ಮೆಟ್ರೋ ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರುವಂತ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್. ಸರ್, ಫಾರ್ ಅವರ್ ವ್ಯೂವರ್ಸ್, ಯು ಬಾಟ್ ದ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಅಟ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ರೀಸನಬಲ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್. ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ರೀಸನ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.